guys, it's Mia from Me So Awesome, and today we're playing Will It Sink or Float with my fidget toys. Alright, let's get going. Alright, the first one is this fire puppet, and this one has really good pops, really, it's hard on the bad side but good on the good side, so we'll see if this sinks or floats. In we go. Wrong way. Looks like it sinks though. I'll go grab that. Alright guys, I got it back. So this one floated. Next up we have my panda dimple. Now, let's see if this sinks or floats. What do you think? Looks like it floats. Nice. So far, all of these ones have floated, so I'm excited to see what's next. Next is this lobster puppet. This one has worse pops than the flower one, so it might be different. Alright. Looks like that one floats too. Alright guys, let's do a couple more. So now we're going to see if this green Orbeez stress ball sinks or floats. I'm thinking it sinks.
You're ready? You
Oh,
gotta go.
looks like it. Wait,
Ready?
it floats. Cool. Next, we're doing emojis. I really do hope this guy floats, or else I'm gonna be able. I'm probably not gonna be able to find him again. This way, we're gonna do it like this. Alright guys, let's see if it sinks or floats. Looks like it's floating. Great. Alright, next we have this puppet dice. Let's see, it has air in it, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna float. Yep. Just a couple more. Let's try a pop tube. It's plastic, so I think it floats. Yes, it floats. What about a mini poppet though? What do you guys think?
Why I'm going ahead of you guys I was laying there going,
It's floating. Nice. This one I'm a little bit curious about. It's my Shaggy Nito. Let's go. Whoa, it definitely floats. But this last one, I'm really questioning, I guess. It's a big, giant popsicle poppet. So, what do you guys think? It's huge, so in we go. Wow, it floats. What about this side, though? Guys, it's sinking. Nice.